Yeah, hello everyone. How you doing? I believe you're fine. I believe you're doing well. So today it's been long. We you have dropped some video on this channel, but trust me, now I pray to be consistent, so I'll be giving you guys back to back updates. So currently, what's currently happening? I don't know if you've noticed for a very long time now. Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, NZD USD has been on a downtrend, right? So something happened on a Friday, which was the NFP, right? The NFP was supposed to be a buy. You know, if if you are following me on Instagram, please, I will say thank you. But if you're not following me, please start following me, because before the news comes out, I drop updates so that you guys will know what to anticipate. Maybe it's a news that can make us money, or news that can send us to the farm, or that can send us home. So that NFP, as the news came out, what I can see was that this news is not the right one to trade. So, by the way, what happened with the news? The news actually said it's going to buy, right? But later the news sold and it keeps selling. So, thank God we didn't take the trade. But today, what was the purpose of this video? I just want to show you what I'm anticipating for the week. On Euro USD, I'm saying it here now, guys. On Euro USD, I'm anticipating a buy for a sell. What do I mean by a buy for a sell? Please listen to this. Euro USD, I'm anticipating a buy for a sell. So if you start from H4 time frame, looking at Euro USD, starting from H4 time frame, what can we see here? Just a sec. What can we see here? Yeah, guys. So we can see that this price is basically on a downtrend. This price is basically on a downtrend, and this downtrend we are seeing here, right? We can see something that we can see that price was formerly on this trend line. For price broke it through, price actually break through this trend line, then price now creates something like this for us. So this is what I'm seeing on Euro USD right now. I'm seeing a channel like this. Please pay attention to what I'm showing you. I'm seeing a channel like this, and with this channel, what I can also see with this channel is I'm seeing this point here. As a sort of support. You know, look at this point here. It was a support here. When price got to this point here, it supported this point, and price eventually break it through. So now, for you to know if a zone is valid, do you know what you have to do? What you have to do is look at whenever price comes to touch that point. If price break it through, will price retest it? Let me show you an example. Look at what happened here. Let me zoom in so that we can all see. Look at this point here. Eventually, even though price will eventually break this to the downside, notice what price did. When price got to that point, price actually respected it, push up, then eventually break. After this break, look at what happened. Price eventually come back to it. You notice that anytime price come to touch that line, there will always be like, hey, Tuale Baba, price will always drop something. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Price will always drop something before actually going up. So see, that's exactly what we have here. So now, with what I'm seeing here now, right? I'm expecting where I'm seeing a buy for a sell. Let me show you guys. I'm looking at this point here. Price should buy towards this point, then sell. So let's go to H1 time frame so that we can have a better look at what's happening there. So this is the look here. So I'm expecting that price, it can happen on Monday, it can happen on Tuesday, that price will come back to this point, then price will drop. That is what I'm expecting. By the way, don't let us overlook this point we have here. This is on Euro USD. I'm coming. Don't let us overlook this point here. Look at these. Wow, look at these. So so don't I'm expecting a buy. So this is what they call trend in trend. This is called trend in trend. So that is that for that, guys. So what I'm expecting here, let me just show you guys. So price buy to this area, then we short. So my position will look like this. Okay, my position will look like this. Then this will be its long swing trade. Yeah. So this is what I'm anticipating, right? So this is on Euro USD. Let's go on the GBP USD. Now you see these guys, they have similar movement, but they are not the same. They have similar movement, but they are not the same. So why do I say they are not the same? So let me clear my screen so that we can all see what I'm seeing. Let me clear my screen so that we can all see what I'm seeing. So let's go to H4 time frame. Let's go to H4 time frame. Then yeah. So looking at this chart from this point here, what I'm seeing here is an uptrend. So this what I'm seeing here is an uptrend, right? So that's the reason why you can see. So I have this trend line here. So I won't be making any decision on Euro USD until I see price comes to break this line. So if price trades below this line like this, then we expect a retest, then we fire from there. So that's what I'm expecting on Euro USD. But for now, on GBP USD, let's fold our hands. Let's fold our hands on GBP USD. So I will just be showing you guys these things fast. Sorry about that. Yeah, sorry about that. So but by the way, what I'm seeing here on GBP USD, I'm seeing this point here on GBP. I'm seeing that point there, right? I'm saying because of what Donald Trump is doing, we should work closely with zones now. So look at these zones. Yeah, so once price breaks this zone, let's just say once price breaks this zone, expect a retest, then we sell. We sell massively, right? So let's go on gold. XAUX USD. So gold is buying, guys. Gold is buying. Based on what US dollar is doing, a lot of traders see US dollar as safe haven, right? Where investors, keep their money. But based on what gold is doing recently, guys, I'm telling you, and based on what your US is doing recently, the tariff and everything, everybody is looking for a place where their money is safe. So hence, their last resort is gold. So gold has been buying. So this week, I'm expecting a sell for a buy. So let me just call your attention to something. Notice this pattern. Let me show you. Look at this pattern here. This I becomes support for this. So look at this pattern. I'll just be calling your attention to it. The main gist are for guys that are inner circle guys. So it's for them. So when we're entering this trade and everything, so let's look at this. So let's come here. Look at this. So I can basically tell you that on gold, waits for price to come to this area. Wait for price to come to this area, then buy. So guys, I will show you this again next week. If it didn't happen this week, it will happen next week. If this week is a sell all through, then next week we should see the buy. So I remember, if you've been following my YouTube, remember I told you gold will get to 3,000. Gold will get to 3,000. Gold will get to 3,000. So let's go on US oil. US oil, for people that trade US oil with me. So, you know, as you know, I love US oil sports. So let's do US oil sports. So US oil has been selling aggressively. So I will tell you this week, wake up this week and sell. Just wake up this week, then sell. As price will open in the next 55 minutes from now. Wake up this morning and sell US oil. So if you'll be watching this video this morning, you know, the first to watch this video, this will be a bonus. This will be a gift for you. So wake up this morning and sell US oil. Going to 15. Let's just go straight to 15 minutes. Let me show you the reason why you should be selling US oil. So remember to keep it simple. Keep it simple. So currently what we have here, we have this counter trend line here. Previously, this was the previous counter trend line we have here. Then price has broken it through. So confirming to us this coming. So price just confirmed this trend line to us here. Though you should not just draw your trend line from nowhere. So this that is happening here is like an overextension. So immediately you see price come back into this trend line, just short. Price is going down. So let me pick one indices and we analyze together, which should be US 30, guys. So let's do that. Let's do US 30. So US 30 is selling currently. So I'll tell you one thing. Most of these stocks, they always sell to buy. They always sell to buy. But with this pattern I'm seeing here, this sell will be for long. This sell is going to be. So I am predicting now based on what I'm seeing. So let me show you something. This pattern that I'm seeing here looks like this pattern that happened here. So I can tell you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday might be selling. Might be a sell day for US 30. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You might see massive sell on US 30. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You might see a massive sell on US 30, guys. So that is that concerning that. So we come to the end of this class. So trust me, this is not a financial advice, guys. So make sure if you are taking any of the trades in which you are going in line with any of this trade, trust me, I'm not just going to take this trade blindly. There are some measures in which I will be putting in place. There are some measures in which I will be, so, and these are for people that are in and here. You don't expect us to actually open everything up here on YouTube. So, but trust me, this will be the direction we'll be trading towards. Everything I've shown you now, this will be the direction that we'll be trading towards. And that is that concerning that, guys. So if you know you love this, you want to learn more, send me a DM. My Instagram link is below. And if you enjoyed this and you want to see more of this, please make sure you subscribe, like, and share. I would really, 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 really love that. So don't forget that if you want to learn more, just let me know so I can direct you to the right channel to learn better. Right? It's more than buying and selling. So bye, guys. I love everyone here. Have a wonderful night.